The PVC coil is securely fixed thanks to this smooth process. This machine makes the process of stamping molds onto tires easier. The wooden planks are straightened before proceeding to subsequent stages. Thousands of links are connected together in the blink of an eye. The Bauer piledriver is always rated as a reliable tin soldier for complex construction projects. Tire cutting is one of the first steps to begin the recycling process. Once the bucket has been tested, ensuring it meets all quality standards, it is ready to conquer customers. A large number of cans are lined up to enter the automated beer pouring process. The cans are placed under the pouring head, and each can receive the exact same amount of beer. Chimik, a symbol of drinking culture in South Korea, is a combination of chicken and beer. If you visit this East Asian country, don't miss this unique culinary experience.
The production process includes the following steps: milk fermentation, milk coagulation, kale cutting, mold pressing, aging and preservation. There are many different types of cheese. Whose creative mind did this unique dish come from? Its delicious taste is still a mystery to me. Its delicious taste is like a call, urging me to discover the hidden secret. The packaging process for croissants is done carefully, ensuring the crispness of the crust, the rich flavor of the filling, and minimizing the impact of the outside environment. Join me, you enjoy a cool and nutritious salad. This salad is not only convenient, but also brings many health benefits. Salad is a dish made from fresh fruits and vegetables. This dish contains many vitamins. The leafy vegetable cutter and slicer.